Hello friends, I am Rameshwar Bhausab Kapre. Today we have to discuss the pest of sorghum crops. The first pest of sorghum crop, jawar shoot fly. Scientific name of jawar shoot fly, Atherigonus socata, family Anthomidae, order Diptera. In this Diptera, the damaging stage of this pest, maggots, oviposition, cigar-shaped eggs laid on lower surface of leaves, pupation inside the stem. See the pictures. These are the caterpillars of jawar shoot fly. Nature of damage: shoot fly attack on jawar crop in seedling stage. After hatching of the eggs, these caterpillar or these maggots attack on seedling stage. Maggots hatching from the eggs bore in the central shoot of seedling, killing growing points, causing the dead heart. Dead heart means the top portion or shoot portions are totally dry. These symptoms also known as dead hearts. Management practices of jawar shoot fly: early sowing before 7 July or first week of July. Increase seed rate to make up the loss. The increased seed rate also used for maintain the plant population. Use of seed treated with carbofuran. Removal and destruction of affected shoots along with larvae. Infested plant parts are immediately removed to the field. Use of resistance varieties M35-1. M means Maldandi 35-1 or less susceptible varieties SPV 86 RSV 9R. Okay, now second pest of jawar crop, jawar stem borer. Scientific name of jawar stem borer, Chilopartellus, family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. In this Lepidoptera, the damaging stage are caterpillar, oviposition, egg laid in clusters on upper side of leaves, pupation inside the stem. See the pictures. These are the adult of jawar stem borer. Now another images. These are the damaging symptoms of jawar stem borer. Carrier stage pest hibernate in pupal stage in stubbles. Nature of damage: on hatching from eggs, larva feeds on tender leaves, causing series of holes in leaf lamina. After hatching of the eggs, these caterpillars attack on leafy portions and causing the series of holes on leaf lamina. Later bore into the stem, feed on central shoots, causing the death of central shoot known as dead hearts. Initial stage they attack on leaf lamina and causing the series of holes, and later stage pest attack on central shoot and causing the dead heart symptoms. Now see the pictures. First pictures, pupa and adult of jawar stem borers, and second, these are the dead hearts. Dead heart means shoot portions and top portions are totally dry. Okay, management practices: collection and destructions of stubbles after harvest of the crop to kill the hibernating larvae. Increase the seed rate, crop rotation with non-host crop, removal and destruction of affected shoots along with larvae. Now, third important pest of jawar crop, surface grasshopper. Scientific name of surface grasshopper, Crotogonus species, family Acrididae, order Orthoptera. Oviposition, egg laid in batches in soil along burns or fallow land. Number of generation in a year. How many generation completed in a year surface grasshopper? Only one generation. These are the objective type questions asked in your examination. Carryover stage, overwinters in egg stage in soil. Nature of damage: nymphs and adult. These are the damaging stage of surface grasshopper. Nymphs and adult feed on foliage in severe causes completely defoliate the plant. After hatching of the eggs, nymphs and adults attack on foliage part means leafy portions and severe infestation. These plants are totally defoliate. Okay, defoliate means leaveless plant. Control measure of surface grasshopper: deep plowing after harvest of the crop to kill the hibernating eggs. Digging trenches along the burn to prevent the migration of hopper to the main fields. These are the migratory pest, one field to another field. Okay. Control measure: digging trenches along the burn. Dusting methyl parathion Now another important pest of jawar crop, aphids, in Marathi mawa. Scientific name Raphalocyphum myoides. Another species of aphid, Apis saccharei. Family Aphididae. Order Hemiptera, means these are the sucking pest. Reproduction parthenogenetic. Next pest, Delphasids. Scientific name of Delphasids, Peregrinus myoides. Family Delphasidae. Order Hemiptera, means aphids and delphasids are sucking pest. Oviposition, eggs are laid in leaf tissues. Aphid and delphasids, nature of damage. Combined nature of damage, nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from the leaves. After hatching of the eggs, these nymphs and adults attack on leafy portions and suck the cell sap inside the leaves. As a result, plant turn yellow with stunted growth, then injury causing oozing of cell sap, which crystallize on evaporation, forming a sugary material or causing the chickta or sugary disease. Firstly, these nymphs and adults attack on leafy portions. After attacking, these plants change in leaves color greenish to yellow. After then, causing the chickta or sugary disease. Okay, aphids and delphasids factor as a chickta and sugary disease. Due to sugary material and honeydew excreted by insect, two sooty mold develops and the leaves turn black, causing the chickta and sugary disease. After that, create the blackish coating on leafy portions. It affect the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. Management practices, spraying with quinolphos, another insecticides, methyl dimeton, etc. Next pest of jawar crop, armyworm, swarming caterpillar. Armyworm, also known as swarming caterpillar. These are the images, adult of armyworm and swarming caterpillar. Scientific name Mythimna separata. Family Nocturi. Order Lepidoptera, means damaging stage are caterpillar. Oviposition on central leaves. Host plant Polyphagus. Polyphagus means these pests attack on all types of plants. See the images, these are the caterpillar of armyworm. Pupation in soil. Carrier stage, pest hibernate in pupal stage in soil. Nature of damage, nocturnal in habit. What is meant by nocturnal? These pests attack only night time, means nocturnal in habit. Caterpillars hide in soil or in leaf whorl during the daytime. These pests hide in soils or leaf whorls daytime, and in night larva feeds on leaves from margin inwards. Only attack on or feed to the night times, means nocturnal in habit. In severe infestation, defoliate the plants completely. Okay. Management practices of armyworm, plowing the field. Why plowing are done? To break the pupa. Pupation inside the soil. So plowing the field after harvest of the crop. Mechanical collection of larvae and their destruction. These pests or these larvae are big sized, easily identified in eyes. So these larvae, after harvesting, collection and destroy the kerosinized water, dusting methyl parathion. Next important pest, sorghum midge fly, also known as sorghum gall fly. See the pictures, these are the adult of sorghum midge fly. Scientific name Contarinia sorgicola. Family Cecidomyidae. Order Diptera. In this Diptera, damaging stage of these pests, maggots. Oviposition, single in spikelet near ovary. Pupation in spikelet. These are the different images of sorghum midge fly, egg, larva, pupa and adult. Now, nature of damage. See the symptoms or damaging symptoms of sorghum midge fly. Host plant, jawar, bajra, other grasses. Carrier stage, larva in soil or in bhusa. Nature of damage. Maggots on hatching from the eggs feed on developing ovary in spikelet, resulting in partial or completely sterility. After hatching of the eggs, these maggots attacking on developing ovary, and after feeding, these seeds are sealed to the completely sterility. In case of severe infestation, only empty airhead are noticed. Severe infestation, only empty airhead are noticed, means totally grains remove and feed to the these paste. Now, management practices adopt zonal system of sowing. What is meant by zonal system? Zonal system means one variety are also used to sowing for one villages. Destruction of kutar busa before one set of monsoon. Destroy host plant before flowering. Spraying some different insecticide means malathion, carbaryl, etc. Now, next and last pest of sorghum crop, sorghum earhead caterpillar, also known as Helicoverpa armigera, means American bollworm. See the images, these are the eggs, caterpillar, pupa and adult of sorghum earhead caterpillar, family Noctuidae, order Lepidoptera. Lepidoptera means damaging stage are caterpillar, oviposition, tender part of the plant, pupation inside the soil, host plant, polyphagous. Nature of damage, caterpillar feeds voraciously on tender part of plant and developing airhead. After hatching of the eggs, initial stage, these caterpillars attack on tender part means leafy portions, shoots, flowers, etc. A damaged ear could be easily spotted in the field by chalky appearance of due to partially eaten grains. Management practices, deploying after harvest of the crop. Why deploying are done? Pupation inside the soil to break the pupa, collection and destruction of larva, spraying with 0.2% carbaryl, another apply NSK, apply BT, use of different bioagents for control the sorghum earhead caterpillar. Sorghum, major field crop and most important major pest such as stem borer, shoot fly, midge fly, grasshopper, aphid, delpha seeds, sorghum earhead caterpillar. Okay, thank you.